Welcome to your starting line, your moment, your pace. In a world flooded with complicated programs, elite influencers, and information overload, beginning your fitness journey can feel overwhelming. But this isn't about transforming overnight. This is about showing up, starting small, and finally doing what actually works. You don't need a fancy gym, expensive supplements, or the perfect body to begin. All you need is a decision to start. The most successful transformations often begin with the most humble steps: one walk, one push-up, one conscious breath at a time. The real magic happens when you focus on mastering the basics. Simple squats, modified push-ups, lunges, planks, and cardio movements that get your heart rate up. These foundational moves build not just your body, but your confidence, your mental grit, and your belief in yourself. Fitness isn't just about how you look, it's about how you feel, how you move through the world, and how you respond to life's challenges. The gym, your living room, even a patch of open space becomes your training ground, not just for your body but for your mind. It teaches consistency, discipline, and resilience. The more you show up, even when you don't feel like it, the more you prove to yourself that you can do hard things, and in that, you build a life. It's not about intensity, it's about intention. 30 minutes of focused movement is enough to shift your mood, boost your energy, and set a new tone for your life. Recovery isn't an afterthought either, it's essential. Hydration, rest, and fueling your body with simple, whole foods make all the difference. You don't have to follow every trend. Just drink more water, add protein, reduce processed foods, and pay attention to how your body responds. The key is building habits, not hype. Motivation will fade, but systems stick. Lay your clothes out the night before, write down your goals, commit to short, doable sessions, and give yourself credit every time you show up. You're not trying to impress anyone, you're trying to become someone who honors their body, someone who keeps promises to themselves, someone who finally says, I'm at it. Fitness is the anchor that brings you back to yourself when the world feels chaotic. It gives you clarity, structure, and power, and maybe most importantly, it shows you what you're capable of. So start today, not because you have to, but because you finally realize you deserve to.